This video is going to demonstrate how to draw the flat pattern for our puzzle cube. And this is our flat pattern right here laid out. So let's look at a couple of dimensions in here and see what we're going to do. Each side of our puzzle is 2 inches by 2 inches, so that's what our outside piece is going to be. Each inside piece is going to be a 1/2 inch by a 1/2 inch. And the commands we're going to use to draw this are going to be the line command, the offset command, the trim command, the extend command, and the copy command. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to take the line command and I'm going to draw a 2-inch box, so 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches, and 2 inches, and I can close that up. I'm now going to use the offset command, so O, enter for offset. My distance, remember, is 0.5, so I'm going to type in 0.5 and enter. I'm going to click this line over, click it again, We'll pull the top line down, down, and down, and I have my interior grid. Let's go ahead and change some colors here and some properties. So I'm going to make these inside lines hidden, so I'm going to come here to my properties, and I'm going to make those hidden. In my class, I also like my hidden lines to be cyan, so I'm going to convert those to cyan. Let's take the outside lines and make those red. That way I can see them. All right, the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just move this over so I have a little more room. All right, let's try the copy command. So I'm going to go CO for copy, enter. I'm going to window the whole thing, enter. I'm going to click on this corner right here, and that's under O snaps. And make sure your O snaps are active. So I'm going to go endpoint, and let's just put that endpoint, 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 and let's go one more over here, endpoint. I'm going to put one over here and then move it to where I want it. So M command for move, window it, enter, click on the corner, and we'll put that one right there. Now all we have to do, we have some trimming to do on the inside. So let's go ahead and do some trimming. So I'm just going to hit the TR command for trim and trim out the inside of all of my. I probably should have done that at the beginning. It would have made it a little bit easier, but we can certainly do that right now. The last thing I need to do is put the tabs on. The tabs are 1/4 inch, so I'm going to offset again. So O for offset, 0.25, enter, and I'm just going to offset out 1/4 inch on each of those. I'm now going to use the extend command, and I'm just going to extend these lines into the line I offset, and all that's going to do is give me a point to click to. So I'm going to take the line command and just tie these in right here. So I've just tied those in. Now I can take the trim command again, trim all this out, and I have my tabs done. I can go back and change my colors on those. And if I want those colors to be red, I can certainly change those to red. Oop, I forgot one trim up here, so let's trim that out. And now let's change this to red. Once I have this done, this is just to make it look a little nicer, I guess. So I've got it done, and it is ready to be printed. Remember to print it full scale so that you can cut it out and tape it together and start your puzzle.